daughters don't leave home, you know, just so they can be alone and wander in the big wide world. And they don't mean to make you cry when you find they've said goodbye, and you wonder where and why they've gone. But if you stop to search your mind, you may find that you've been blind and given them cause to think that you don't love them anymore. Dear Mom and Dad, don't think I'm bad, but I can't stand out fighting mad and all this talking down to me. And although I know I'm young, I wish you to trust me just for once, but I know on that we can't agree. Ungrateful child, we gave her all we could. Ungrateful child, she's just trying to hurt us good. But young daughters don't leave home, you know, just so they can be alone and wander in the big wide world. And they don't mean to make you cry when you find they've said goodbye, and you wonder where and why they've gone. But if you stop to search your mind, you may find that you've been blind and given them cause to think that you don't love them anymore. Dear Mom and Dad, I would have liked to talk with you on several things about the way I feel, but you've always made it plain that I don't know anything my friends and I are kids that just don't feel. Ungrateful child, we've gone and spoiled her good. Ungrateful child, well, what she needs is some of our childhood. But young daughters don't leave home, you know, just so they can be alone and wander in the big wide world. And they don't mean to make you cry when you find they've said goodbye, and you wonder where and why they've gone. But if you stop to search your mind, you may find that you've been blind and given them cause to think that you don't love them anymore.